In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna Pay Later. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Klarna offers a few different ways to pay later, so the exact steps will depend on which option you choose at checkout. However, regardless of which option you choose, you are going to need the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. So the first step before you do anything else is to open the Play Store if you are using an Android device or the App Store if you are using an iOS device and download the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. After you download the Klarna app, this is going to be the easiest way to manage the payments and track your purchases. So from the home screen of the app, you will be able to select from a variety of stores and retailers that accept Klarna at checkout. Immediately upon selecting any of these options, any of these stores, you will be able to proceed to checkout by adding all the stuff to your cart, and as long as you are redirected to the respective store inside of the Klarna app, you will find the button to Pay with K when you reach checkout. By using that option, you are going to either be able to generate a one-time card or make the payment and then manage the installment-free payments that you must make on your Klarna account. Once you visit your account page, you are going to see all the installments according to what you selected, and Klarna offers not only installment-free payments or 30-day payments, but also financing if you prefer to pay over a long period of time. As long as you enter all the necessary information, you choose the appropriate payment plan that you wish, everything is going to be available for you to manage when you go to your account page. There will be the purchase power listed there according to how much you can spend, and you will be able to use this service as long as you are approved after you register, including all of your contact information and other details. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna Pay Later. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.